Hi, Pamela here from MV Chef to show you how to make hearty mushroom soup. It is easy, delicious, nutritious, and I'm ready when you are. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is chop up some yellow onions, about 2 cups worth, and cook those up in some water. That's right. Okay. Oops. Now I did it. We can save them. So I have my chopped onions, and I'm going to add about half of the water. Cook them over high heat for about 5 minutes. And then I'll add the rest of the water and continue cooking until they're tender. I'll see you at the stove. All right, so here we are. High heat. Just want to get those onions going, get them nice and tender. Capiche? Okay, my onions are ready. Just kept cooking them, adding more water until that cooked off, evaporated. So here are my sliced crimini mushrooms. I'm adding to the onions. I'm adding my paprika. And my dill weed. And my black pepper. I'm lowering my heat to low, and I'm just going to cook this. Stir this all in here first. You see that? And the mushrooms will create a little more liquid as they cook up here, but you want to lower your heat and cover this and cook it for about 5 minutes or so. And stir it, check on it. Talk to it, sing to it, whatever. All right, these mushrooms are just about where I want them. Tender, see a little extra little juice created by the mushrooms. So now I'm going to add my soy sauce and my vegetable broth and let this continue to simmer. I'm using a Kroger Fred Meyer organic vegetable broth. And my soy sauce. Stir that all up. Cover and simmer for about 10-15 more minutes. While my mushroom mixture is continuing to simmer, in a separate pan I am adding my flour and some olive oil. Using a whisk, I'm going to just stir this together over medium-high heat and cook this for about a minute. You want a paste. Okay, so it's starting to bubble, which is what I want. And I'm just going to stir this and let it cook. And then I will slowly whisk in 2 cups of soy milk and continue to stir this constantly until it thickens. So you don't want this to boil, you just want it to slightly thicken, which it's almost there. You see? Okay, and then I'm going to add the milk mixture to the mushroom mixture. Yes, I am. Like so. Crash bang. Yeah. I'll stir that all together. I'm going to continue to heat it up a little bit. All it needs is lemon juice. So I'll add that. So there it is, a hearty mushroom soup. So delicious and filling. I'll warm you up. I know what I'm having for lunch. Enjoy. So there you have a batch of delicious soup to keep you warm in the winter or any time of the year. Enjoy, and we'll see you next time on MV